family. So these are all the ingredients that I'm using today to make our sausage, egg, and cheese on a biscuit. Starting with the sausage. So these are some lean breakfast turkey sausages. But now, if you can find the Park sausages, the one that comes in the roll in the frozen section, those will be better. But unfortunately, in my supermarket, they only have the pork. And at that point, I would have even settled for beef, but they didn't have it. So I'm going to be using these sausages today in this recipe. Also, I have some eggs here in the bowl. And then I'm going to be using the Grand's flaky biscuits. And I have some olive oil here. The seasonings that I'm using today, I'm only going to use the garlic powder and black pepper because the cheese, which I'm using sharp cheddar cheese, has salt in it. And the sausages may contain some salt as well. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. So let's get started with putting this breakfast sandwich together. Alright, so now what I'm going to do with these sausages, so if y'all familiar with these, you know, it has like a little, it comes in, you can't really see it, but it's a very thin casing that it comes in, and if you peel, I don't know if y'all can see that coming off. So I'm going to actually remove this and then squeeze out the actual sausage. Okay, you see? So this is why I was saying that if you can find the Park sausages, you don't have to be bothered with this step. Just gonna peel that off. And once you start peeling it, it really literally comes off. See? That's how it looks. Okay? Alright, so now that I have that taken care of, just with a fork, just going to go ahead now and just mash this and kind of just make it as one. Okay, blend everything together. Okay, so now I'm going to form my sausage ring. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the sausage and kind of roll it around. And you're just going to form a ring. This is similar to my my burger and fry video. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you check it out. Okay, so you want to leave like a nice little opening, and if you have to, just add some more sausage to that to make your opening wider. Okay, that's how it looks. Gonna do the same with this one. So now, before I add my sausage, I have this pan right here heating up. So I'm just gonna add some of this olive oil and allow this to heat up. So we're gonna let that get hot. Okay, so I'm going to now pop my biscuits in the oven and just cook them as per instructions on the carton. And I did grease the pan with butter. Your egg is cooked. Alright, G Squad, so here's our sausage, egg, and biscuit. And as you can see, the egg is cooked in the center of my sausage, so I'm going to cut this. And that's how it looks. Okay? And if you try this, certainly you can feel free to make your opening wider, you know, if you like. But yeah, so that's how it looks. Our sausage, egg, and biscuit. Okay? So, G Squad, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, like, comment below. And I love you guys, and I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye.